Welcome to Hobby Trendy channel. Today, I'll talk about our all-in-one prong snap button die set for Hobby Trendy hand pressing machines. This is also a tutorial on how to set prong snap buttons. This die with the rubber band in it is for pearl prong snaps. Every part of the die set matches the parts of the snaps. As you can see, open prong snap fits on the base of this die. The threaded die with the rubber band is for the stud and the socket. You'll have to push the stud or the socket up into the die. I'll show all of these in this tutorial. The die for the capped prong snap is all metal. Remember, the die for the pearl part has a rubber band in it to protect the pearl part. Let's start making snaps. First, the pearl snap. Keep in mind that the dies without the threads always go into the base ring. This die with the threads will always be in the upper part. All of the prong snaps use the same studs and the sockets. Push the stud or the socket up in the rubber part. Push the fabric or the material onto the prongs. And press the handle. That's all. Now we have the pearl snap in place. Now I'll do the cap snap first and then the open ring snap. The open ring snaps are used in all three of the prong snaps. You can use the prong parts of the snaps, both on the stud and the socket parts. I use the studs of the snaps. Now I'll use the socket parts. With the sockets, I'll use the open ring snaps for all three types of the prong snaps. You can see the underparts are the same. A socket and a stud for each prong snap. And they all fit each other. Thanks for watching. Please check out the links below and visit us at our web store to see for more of our products.